Okay, loves, let me tell you what I have going on in our living room for my early spring tour. So if you are not a member of the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. My style is glam. I love colors, so you'll see me doing the glitz and glam and shiny, and I'm always going to have some color thrown in my videos of some sort. In this particular setting, I'm using purple. Okay, I love me some purple. So let's get started on where the items came from. So if you have been following me, you are noticing that I painted my walls. That wall back there was like a metallic gray. I went white. We are going white throughout my whole home. I'm just doing plain old simple extra white. Just because I had the hardest time matching all my paint colors. So I can't go wrong with white. And since I love colors so much, the white looks so much well with the different colors that I'll be using. So I'm using extra white. The brand is Valspar or Valsar. It comes from Lowe's. And the color is extra white. They also have that color, I think, in Sherwin-Williams, if I'm not mistaken. The wall art on my wall actually came from Home Goods. I've had it for a minute, meaning for a while. When I say a minute, I've had it for a while. It was a very reasonable price. It was probably around 99 bucks. When you look at these pictures and you see these type of pictures like at Z Gallery, they're running you $300, $400, $500. So 99 bucks was a steal for that picture. My lamps also came from Z Gallery. I got them when Z Gallery was going out of business. I got them for like 50% off. The pampas grass here came from Michael's. My vases from Z Gallery. These decorative objects here from Z Gallery. My little lotus flowers came from Home Goods. My nesting tables from Z Gallery. My couch came from Rooms to Go. The purple glam pillows came from Z Gallery. The sparkle home pillow here came from Home Goods. But you can actually look up sparklehome.com and shop those pillows. What's going on this side over here is also going on this side over here. Okay, loves. So now I'm on this side where my windows are. So what else are you noticing here? So you're probably noticing that my curtains are taken just a tad bit higher up to the ceiling. I didn't want to go all the way to the ceiling because I needed that room for the curtains to breathe. So I left a few inches from the top of the curtain to the ceiling, which I like that. Now, let's talk about these curtains. I'm going to leave a link for these just in case someone is interested in purchasing these. These drapes actually came from Amazon. Look how pretty they are. They are so adorable. And they come in so many colors. I think maybe 11 or 12 colors. But I love these. They're super cute. I have the 108 inches because I wanted them to puddle on the floor. So that's why I got the 108 inches. The shears here also came from Amazon. I'll leave the link to those as well. So what I have right now is I have like one set of the shears and 2 sets of these. Now, the wall art came from Home Goods. It's really cute, and I know it's big, but you can't tell it's big if you don't do that, if I wouldn't have done that. But I like that wall art in between those pictures. I mean, in between the drapes. That's really cute. That's really cute. So the ginger jars, all my ginger jars, the silver ginger jars came from Home Goods. The white one came from Tuesday Morning. But you can get your hands on these ginger jars on Wayfair. They'll cost you a little bit more. But you got to be lucky to find them at Home Goods. You got to be a Home Goods hopper to find these nice ginger jars. When I say Home Goods hopper, meaning you have to go a lot in order to find those nice items like that. Now the stand that this bigger jar is on actually came from Z Gallery. Okay, now the coffee table came from Rooms to Go. My tray came from Z Gallery. The actual candle holders, my famous candle holders here, came from Bath and Body Works. The candle holders here actually came from Z Gallery. I just have a little, this is like a little tea light holder. I have a little tea light stuck in there. Now this floral arrangement, I actually threw some extra stuff in here. You guys know I'm team too much. It probably looked fine without all my extraness, but I'm extra, right? So what I did was I threw in these pampas grass. They don't belong in there. And I also threw in the little silver picks. I figured they have the green picks in here, so why not throw some silver picks? Because I needed to glam this up, because I liked it because it had the purple in there, but I needed some shiny stuff to be stuck in here and some unique stuff, which is why I put the pampas grass. But when you're glam, you can get away with so much stuff. You can do so much extraness when your style is glam, and you actually can get away with it. But I think that arrangement is super, super cute. Now on the bottom, I only have this box. This box came from Home Goods. I think it was like 24 bucks. I don't have anything in there. And the reason why I picked up this box is because it flows very well with the arrangement. Okay, moving over on this end, my accent chair came from Pier 1. That pillow came from Z Gallery, as well as the throw. I love this throw because it's ombre. It has a two-tone purple. See, it has a dark purple underneath there, and it has the lavender light purple here. You can see how pretty that is. That is super, super cute. Now, this rug that I have on my floor, I actually purchased this rug from Home Goods. I think it was like 79 bucks. It's a 5x7. Now, I haven't seen them at Home Goods since I purchased it, but you can also get this rug from Wayfair. They had it as a closeout. I think the 5x7s were sold out. I will go ahead and link it just in case you want the 6x9. Now, my accent table over here came from At Home. My little bunny came from Home Goods. This candle holder here came from Bath and Body Works. These vases here came from At Home. And my mirror on the wall, I love this mirror. It actually came from Z Gallery. And when I took it down, I actually have a little crack in there. I'm so mad. But you won't be able to see that crack if I don't tell you where it is. So I'm not going to tell you where it is. So let's talk about this little gadget here. This is a diffuser, guys. It's a diffuser. I don't know if you can see the smoke come. I turned it on. I have a peppermint flavor in there. And it looks like an Easter egg, but it's really not an egg. And you can also turn the, you can turn the light on, change the colors. It actually will do clear, just a neon LED light. And then you can click it to where it actually changes colors. But for me, I know I love lights, but for me, I really like this when it's just the clear color here. Okay, moving to this side, my feathers I've had for a little while. They came from Z Gallery, and this vase actually came from Z Gallery as well. And the stand that it's on also came from Z Gallery. Okay, loves. So the sconces on the wall, I've had these sconces for about 7 years, maybe 6. I actually ordered these from Overstock, and Overstock doesn't have them anymore, but I was able to find them at Home Depot. Now, when I purchased them, I think I paid about $50 or $60 per sconce. Now, Home Depot have them a little bit more expensive, but they are so nice, and I like them because they run by batteries, and they have a remote. You can set the timer for 3 hours, 6 hours. You can dim it to lesser light. And you can cut them on to much lighter light. But yeah, I like them more with the lights off because you can see more of the details in it. They're like 6x9 or 9x6 or something like that. Now the wall art also came from Z Gallery. My little jars on top of my entryway table came from Z Gallery. My little bunny ears there came from Home Goods. And my Ming boxes came from Z Gallery. And this right here is a DIY. I showed the DIY on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you may want to go ahead and create an Instagram account just so you can follow me. If you don't have any more followers, create your Instagram account and just follow me. I'm so funny. Let me pick this up. Okay, so I took it off the bottom just so you can get a better view. So basically all I did was I put some of these little rocks in here. And these rocks actually came from Home Goods last year. I got them after the spring last year. And I have some purple rocks. These purple rocks actually came from Michael's. And my tulips, these purple tulips, came from Amazon. And I think I got these white ones from Home Goods. But you guys, you can get tulips from Amazon. I actually got a lot of them from Amazon of more colors. And also eFavorMart. I'll place some links below just so you can shop for you some tulips. And I have the purple and white rocks. Oh, make this lighter. Yeah, I have some white ones at the bottom and the purple ones at the top. So yeah, this was such a fun DIY. You want to see it? Create that Instagram account. These my little bunnies set here. My stackable bunnies. They came from Home Goods and I thought they were super, super cute. I almost forgot my pendant light. My pendant light actually came from Maxim/ET2 Lighting. It's a company over on Instagram. They gifted me this lighting. It's super, super cute. I love it. I actually like this even more with the lights off too because it's so pretty. So I hope that everyone enjoyed this tour. It's early spring, so you'll be seeing a few more tours of my living room when I change the colors. I'm sure you know that. I hope that this video inspired someone, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.